We were at home and it was night time around 8 p.m. We saw shells exploding on mountain tops, so we rushed to the cave bunkers. Zainab's village, Ganok, found itself in the firing line between India and Pakistan high in the Himalayas. It's on the Pakistani side of a ceasefire line dividing Kashmir, which both countries claim. 20 years ago, a tactical operation ordered secretly by Pakistan snipers to occupy heights in Kargil on the Indian side flowed into a war they hadn't expected. It led to defeat and embarrassment and triggered events that culminated in the country's third military coup in 50 years.
This is the history of Kargil. Thousands of regulars of the paramilitary Northern Lights Infantry, drawn exclusively from Gilgit-Baltistan and skilled in high-altitude warfare, were sent in over the winter to occupy military posts the Indians used to vacate in the months of snow. They established positions on heights ranging from 16,000 to 18,000 feet above sea level. These commanded a view of the Srinagar-Leh highway, a major supply route to troops stationed at Siachen Glacier, the world's highest battlefield, which the Indians occupied in 1984.
When the Indians detected the incursion in early May 1999, Pakistan said they were Kashmiri militants fighting the Indian rule. Observers say the Pakistani aim was to cut Indian supplies to Siachen, inflict heavy losses on Indian troops, and pressure them into negotiating a settlement of the Kashmir dispute on Pakistani terms.
They say that given Pakistani's nuclear test less than a year earlier, its generals were hoping the Indian response would be muted due to the threat of a nuclear war. Kargil War. The Kargil War, also known as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict fought between India and Pakistan from May to July 1999 in Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian military operation to clear out the Kargil sector.
The Indian Air Force's role in acting jointly with the Indian Army ground troops during the war was aimed at fleshing out regular and irregular troops of the Pakistan Army from vacated Indian positions along the LOC. This particular operation was given the codename Operation Safed Sagar.
How did the Kargil War affect both India and Pakistan? The Kargil War was significant for the impact and influence of the mass media on public opinion in both nations. Coming at a time of exploding growth in electronic journalism in India, the Kargil news stories and war footage were often telecast live on TV and many websites providing in-depth analysis of the war. The Kargil War, as it came to be known, lasted for nearly 3 months, killed more than 500 Indian and nearly 400 Pakistani soldiers, and ended with India successfully pushing back Pakistani fighters to the other side of LOC.
India also has a fiscal deficit problem. The last war, that is the Kargil War, had cost India close to $1 billion per week. It is now estimated that the current war will cost India $1 billion per day. Hence, if this war were to go on for about 2 or 3 weeks, it would end up increasing the fiscal deficit by 50%.
India had fully retaken the Kargil heights by 26 July. It lost more than 500 men in the war, while estimates for Pakistani loss range from 400 to about 4,000. As for those who made homeless by the conflict, thousands remain displaced in Pakistan to this day, still waiting for help. On July 26, 1999, the Indian Army had announced the successful culmination of Operation Vijay, declaring victory after the nearly 3-month-long battles in the icy heights of Kargil. The country lost more than 500 soldiers in the war. Facts on Kargil War. The Kargil War was started in May in the year 1999 to remove Pakistani soldiers from the line of control or LOC. This day is also known as Kargil Vijay Divas. Indian Air Force MiG-21s and Mirage 2000 were widely used in the war. Two Bollywood movies, LOC Kargil in 2003 and Lakshya in 2004, were made post-Kargil. Kargil War lasted for more than 2 months. The conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay. In the final assault at Tiger Hill or point 5140, 5 Indian soldiers and 10 Pakistani soldiers lost their lives. Captain Vikram Batra was one of them.